Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our new topic which is about the common noun and proper noun. First of all, we will discuss the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. जितनी भी चीज़ों के नाम हैं वो किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं? नाउन्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं. In other words, we can say all the naming words are called noun. Now the noun is divided into three types. These three types are in your book. First one is collective nouns. Collective, we have already learned all the collective nouns. Now we are going to discuss proper noun and common noun. As the sound proper is sound like something is very special and specific. Proper noun is specific name of a person, place or a thing. जिस चीज़ का हम कोई मखसूस नाम रख देते हैं, जिस चीज़ के लिए हम कोई स्पेसिफिक नेम रख देते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रॉपर नाउन. And the things like table, chair, pencil, razor, sharpener, bags, eyes, hands, all are stand in the common noun category because there is no specific name for all these common things. So the specific things must be in proper noun and the common thing must be goes to the common noun. Here are some example. Here the girl called Faiza. This is the proper noun. Why this is a proper noun? Because Faiza is the specific name of a girl. If there is only a word girl is used for someone, then there is no specific name is mentioned, so it will be common noun. जो ख़ास नाम है वो क्या है? फ़ाइज़ा. जो mentioned है उसको क्या कहेंगे? proper noun. और जो girl है, there is no specific name for a girl, so it will be common noun. In the case of things, the books are standing in the common noun category because there is no specific name of a book. But if the specific name of a book for like Holy Quran is mentioned, then it will be proper noun. In our third example of a thing, of a place, what we will say? The garden. Garden is the commonly name used for our daily routine life. There is no specific name is mentioned here. So what we will say? Garden is a common noun. But if the place with the mentioned in specific name like Badshahi Mosque, this will be come in the proper noun column. Here are some sentences. You have to put the proper noun and common noun from each sentence. First of all, we will select the noun from the sentence. First sentence is Amna and Elisa went to garden. Here, Amna, Elisa and garden. There are three nouns. From these three nouns, we will select proper noun. Amna and Elisa both are proper noun. And garden is a common noun because there is no specific name of a garden. In the next sentence, two men were in the room. From this sentence, first of all, we will mention the noun. You have to underline the nouns and then you select the common noun and proper noun. Here, men and room both are common noun because there is no specific name for a man or a room. In third sentence, Zan was waving his hand. Here, Zan is the specific name of a boy, so it will go to the proper noun column, and hand is a word generally used for every hand, so it will go to the common noun column. In fourth sentence, people of Pakistan are brave. First of all, we will mention nouns. Here, people and Pakistan both are noun. So, Pakistan will be proper noun because of its specific name, and people must be go in the common noun column. Next sentence, Amir saw a beautiful snake. In this, Amir is a name of a boy, so it will come to the specific column that is called proper noun. And snake will be come to the common noun because there is no specific name of a snake. Next, the man was wearing a turban. Here, man is the common noun which is generally used for every man. So, what we will do, we will put man in the common noun column and turban will be go in the proper noun column. Turban is the form of a cap called pagdi in Urdu. So it is the special and specific name, so it will go to the proper noun column. And our last sentence, my father is going to marry. Here father is the common noun because there is no specific name of a father. So we will put in the proper noun common noun column, and Murray is the specific name of a place. So we must write in the proper noun column. Thank you. This is your homework, and you have to learn all the proper noun and common noun very thoroughly. Thank you.